nigga mindset. A lot of people want it, but they scared of the progress. I ain't from the projects, but I got my own story that a lot of y'all couldn't ever really process. Did it when nobody would've given me a second. Now that y'all come around giving me a lesson. If you ain't running back then, you ain't coming where I'm headed. I've been thinking I'm the greatest, even if nobody said it. I'm a spaz on the beat, ain't nobody that compete. In a whole different league, they ain't never catching me. I'm the only one to be calling shots for the team. If I want it, I'ma get it, there ain't nothing stopping me. Put my own money in, I don't own nobody's shit. Every week dropping hits, I don't ever gotta miss. Put myself on the line, I'ma always take the risk. When it comes down to it, I ain't never call it quit.
What is up, everybody? It is Saturday and we are about to head to the event right now. He's in the front one of the wheelie. So yeah, it's a little bit wet out, making do with what we got. Yeah, it should be a pretty good day. Missing a little bit of the trials event right now. We should catch up on that. My seat is absolutely soaked. Here we are. What the hell? Are we at the right event? We're here. Oh, they're over there. Well, that's the inside right there. Check it out, check it out, check it out, check it out, check it out. This looks sick. What's going on here?
If y'all love this event, please just support the event.
God damn, it's wild out here. Just gotta pay a lot of attention to what's going on around you because there is just shit everywhere. I got hit in the eye with a bubble. Yo, stop again, stop again, stop again. Oh, I don't know. See them circle surge? Okay. 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 Woo. Fuck yeah, what's up, buddy? We should give them a little knee knocker circle, maybe. I don't want anybody running into me. Be preferred. It is raining. You put a fresh GoPro battery in it.
830, my friend, 730.
Oh, this kind of sucks already. The rain's kind of cold today though. I have to wipe my GoPro lens every 5 seconds. After it's so nice for in the lot. I do kind of wish that I had a plastic baggie for my phone though. That'd be nice. I like how he walked out in front instead of behind too, just to make it look like he was walking towards us. Getting after it. To so bad. Oh, the sun, holy shit, that feels great. Holding it down for the boys back home. Oh shit, he's gonna try to catch his wheel. I can't get that. Putting it through. Chilling on gas. Just gonna go ahead and get over here. Stay smooth on it. What you got? What you got? Okay. With the one-hander and all, got to. Oh yeah. Hello. Holding it down in H-Town. 13-hour drive, we're finally here. Totally worth it. Throwing down with the pack right now. Houston has been absolutely awesome.
truth, it'll set you free. I ain't like them, cause I'm all I need. When it come down to it, I'm a bad homie. Ayy, this an 8-figure mindset. A lot of people want it, but they scared of the progress. I ain't from the projects, but I got my own story that a lot of y'all couldn't ever really process. Did it when nobody would've given me a second. Now that y'all come around giving me a lesson. When it come down to it, I'ma bet on me. Ain't nobody fuck with me mentally. Talking that shit, you dead to me. Cause I ain't got time for my enemies. Told her come through, get ahead to me.
To our go-to, there's so many to choose from.
Said a lot of people want it, but they scared of the progress. I ain't from the projects, but I got my own story that a lot of y'all couldn't ever really process. Did it when nobody would've given me a second. Now that y'all come around giving me a lesson. If you ain't want it back then, you ain't coming where I'm headed. I've been thinking I'm the greatest, even if nobody said it. I'm a spaz on the beat, ain't nobody